So imagine waking up one morning to find your income very secure, but your job no longer exists. That possibility is now part of a growing conversation about the future of work. Elon Musk recently spoke about a world he calls universal high income, end quote. A future where machines handle much of the labor and traditional jobs become far less pivotal for daily life. His remarks followed the release of a major new study examining how automation could reshape the familiar 9 to 5 economy. The analysis driving this conversation comes from Andre Karpathy, the AI researcher known for his work at Tesla and OpenAI. So Andre examined 342 different occupations, looking closely at how much of a typical workday current AI systems can already handle. The result was striking. Across the economy, the average AI exposure score came in at 5.3 out of 10. In practical terms, that suggests more than half of the tasks people perform for a paycheck could already be handled by automation. And those numbers become even more revealing when you look at specific jobs. Anyone whose work revolves around a screen, a keyboard, or processing information is already close to the center of this shift. So for example, take medical transcriptionists. They scored a perfect 10 on the automation risk scale. Even software developers, for that matter, the people building many of these systems, appear high on the list with scores reaching 9. These findings challenge a common belief about the job market. Creative and technical white-collar work has long been treated as the safe zone. But this particular data tells a very different story. The more digital your workflow, the easier it becomes for large language models to handle parts of that work. At the same time, another divide is appearing in the labor market. AI systems perform very well when the task involves processing information or reasoning through text and data. Step into the physical world, tools, movement, real environments, and machines still struggle to keep up. That contrast becomes clearer when you look at physical trades. Roofers, plumbers, and construction workers scored close to 0 on the exposure scale. So basically, in practice, teaching a robot to deal with a leaking pipe in a cramped basement is far more difficult than training software to write lines of Python code. Which brings us to the economic scale of this particular shift. In the United States alone, about $3.7 trillion in annual wages sit inside occupations with high exposure to AI systems. When money of that size begins moving from human payrolls to automated systems, the effect reaches far beyond the workplace alone. It changes how economies organize themselves. That is one reason Elon Musk has started talking less about universal basic income and more about universal high income. His argument is that automation could raise productivity so dramatically that overall wealth expands. But the deeper question goes beyond money. If earning a living is no longer the central task of adult life, how do people define purpose? We all know that for generations on end, identity has often been tied to work and the effort behind it. Remove that structure, and society enters unfamiliar territory. A world where labor becomes optional and machines produce much of the economic value. The data behind this discussion is not speculation. It actually provides a measurable outline of how quickly the labor market may change. The future may still be prosperous, but it could actually look very different from the working world people know as of today. If employment stops being the organizing principle of society, the next question becomes very clear. What will people choose to build their lives around? Please do let us know in the comments below. This, ladies and gentlemen, is Front Page by the AIM Network. Like, share, subscribe, and always remember, think AI, think AIM.